Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? So today we're here to cook you a very quick and easy yet delicious weeknight dinner. So here I have some onions, peppers, mushroom, and pak choy. So let's get prepping. So I've gone ahead and prepped my ingredients. So we're gonna go straight into the cooking. So first we're gonna have a bowl. Then we'll be adding some shin ramyun noodles, and these noodles, guys, is highly recommended. They are so delicious. So in a bowl, we put the noodles. I'm breaking mine in two, but it's totally optional. You can add yours as it is. And I'll be using the spices that came in the noodles. After adding the spices, we'll be pouring boiling water over the noodles, and make sure you pour enough water so the noodles can emerge in the water. After which we cover and then we put aside. So now let's cook what we're going to be serving these noodles with. So in the pan we had some pancetta, and you don't need to add oil as the pancetta releases its own oil. Then we had some tiger prawns on, and the prawns I'm using their tail on, and I just love to have my tails on my prawn as I think they look so much better in your cooking. Then I go straight ahead and add my mushrooms. And after adding the mushroom, you give it a stir. Then you add the onions, and you repeat the same process by giving it a stir. After giving it a stir for a while, we keep on stirring it because we don't want the onions to overcook. Then we're going to add our peppers in. And then after adding the peppers, we're going to give it another stir again. And as I said before, keep on stirring because you don't want them to get your vegetables to get overcooked. So after about 2 minutes or so, we're gonna go in with our pak choy, and you see how nice and green and fresh these pak choys are looking. And it's at this time I realized that this pot was a little bit too small, but don't worry, we'll sort that out before the end of this video. So this is how we sort out the undersized pot. So in another pan, we had the noodles. We drained the water, then had the noodles, and then had all that delicious vegetable prawns and pancetta that we sauteed earlier on. And then we're just going to go straight in with a bit of oyster sauce. I'm not using soy sauce today. I'll be using oyster sauce. And that tropical seasoning, guys, is a must in all your cooking. The flavor that it releases is to die for. I'm telling you, my son introduced that tropical season to me, and ever since he introduced it to me, I've been using it in almost everything that I cook. So, guys, as you can see, it is ready to enjoy. So, let's plate this up and then we enjoy together. And I would like to know where you're watching me from. And don't forget to like, share, and share this to your friends and family. And of course, most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And if my recipe is something that you love, give me a membership join. I'd really appreciate it. This will help me to get some change to make better recipe and try and improve in what I'm doing at the moment. So here I am enjoying my Chinese. This is what Cho-Mien. Yes, I call it Chinese Cho-Mien, and this is so delicious, better than any shop bought. Thank you for watching. Until I come again.